So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take you through the process of checking your water pressure. So the most easiest way to do that, if you want to check the cold water pressure, is if you've got an outside tap, you literally just go outside with your pressure gauge. So what we're going to firstly do is that any sort of adapters or any other connections that are already positioned onto the tap, we just unscrew. Again, if they are a little bit tight, what you can do is just use a pair of water pump pliers just to unscrew, but this one's coming undone quite easily. With your pressure gauge, most standard pressure gauges can basically do 3/4 inch connections and 1/2 inch connections. All outside taps are 3/4 inch. So I'm going to remove the little black fitting here, which is suitable for a 1/2 inch connection. Going to screw the connection into place. Again, you just need to engage the thread nice and easy so you don't cross thread it at all. To give it a nice tighten up by hand. So I'm going to turn the tap on and then see what water pressure reading we got. And as you can see here, we've got 3 bar.